What is your experiences you faced when you joined as in a new company, 3 years of experience? How project is described to you? How do you start initiation, doing tasks? Yeah, the people who are with some experience and but they don't have enough knowledge. Okay, then you should handle things very carefully. Okay, so first of all, what is the project about? All the KT documents. If all the consultants are leaving at 6 o'clock or 5:30, you spend till 9 o'clock to understand the KT documents, because most of your colleagues are available in office. You can ask 2-3 questions them compared to asking in WhatsApp or something. Okay, and if you are showing more interest, you have to work more, understand the KT documents, and take the scenarios and practice in the quality system to understand better. Any questions you can ask. If a person observed, the senior or somebody has observed that this person is putting more efforts to understand the issues, to practice and to going through the KT documents, definitely they will give you the enough support. You are also leaving at 5:30, 6 o'clock like an experienced consultant, knowledgeable consultant, and you are also going spending weekend completely for roaming and all. But expectation is you wanted to have a similar kind of output. How can you get that? If you're spending 7 hours per day, you have to spend 10 or 11 hours in initial 2-3 months. Later you can come down to 9 hours. Later you will become a normal 7 hours working. So that is the one thing. And second thing, you should understand the what kind of tickets, the old tickets. Take last 2 months or 3 months of MM tickets. If you're joined as support consultant, what kind of tickets are being coming, and whether you're able to understand how the solution is given, what kind of solution is given to that tickets. So go through the old tickets. You can go to the tool, you have access to your support tool. You can go to the module MM, you can filter last 3 months tickets which are resolved. You can see the what solution is given. Those things, if you are not understanding, you go to the quality and practice. Ask questions. When you're asking questions, you should think sometimes maybe too much silly also you may ask, but try to avoid it, because try to Google, try to check any the SAP documents, any blog or YouTube channel, anything. So still if you're not getting, then you can ask it. So these are the persons with less knowledge joined with a good package or with good experience and all. Then you should do all this groundwork. You should generate the trust by the project manager that this person is putting a lot of efforts to enhance the skills, spending daily more time. Daily more time also not required. Okay, if you're spending more time, the quality of time you have to spend to understand, to practice, to go through the old tickets, how the tickets are, how the P2 tickets are there, how the P1 tickets are there, how P3 tickets are there. Okay, what solution is given, how the communication given by your senior consultant, how the email communication is being happen. Okay, any appreciation somebody is getting, you can follow their tickets, how they're resolving, how the feedback is given by the users. So these are the things you have to understand. And a few more things, where the printer is, how to take a printer. Okay, and if you get an authorization issue or anything, who is the point of contact from basis team? Get the contact and keep it in your notebook, or yeah, you keep an Excel sheet for the list of PACs. Who is the PAC for SD? Who is the PAC for MM? If you're MM, if you're FICO, who is the PAC for basis? If you get any printer or laptop issue, who is the PAC from the help desk team? Okay, how to access the printer? Okay, these things and all you have to learn. Don't do the basic mistakes which will be annoying when you do that one. Okay, to whom you have to report. Okay, and you are asking, you need some printer problem, send an email to your manager by keeping 2. You avoid such kind of things. Who is the printer? Help desk. Okay, who is the help desk team? And maybe you can copy in your manager so that they can fasten, they can speed up the work. If you directly send a normal email, they may delay. So if you are keeping a manager in copy. Okay, if you're asking something information to the other department, keep your manager in copy wherever it is required. Sometimes it may go for ego issues also, why you're keeping everything to your manager. So these are all very sensitive things. I cannot say which is correct or which is wrong, but yes, but what I can say according to my experience, if you keep manager in copy wherever it is required to get wherever you need a speed response, you can keep it. Not for all things you keep it and make other people to struggle. Okay, why this guy is always keeping manager, they will be hurry, right? That is not that much urgent. So why is looping everyone in loop. So these kind of things may happen. So these are all like relation with other departments. Those things you need to handle. So first of all, you should know what is your project about, what kind of issues are being received, and who are the PICs, and what are the equipment you are going to handle, printer or any laptop or any kind of other systems you are handling. So who are the PIC? If you get issue, to whom you have to contact. Okay, if you get any health related, who is the health department? Okay, who is the medical department, who is the finance department to check it. So these things you just come to know, and the travel policies, a timesheet. So these things also you have to know better, so to give a proper thing. Otherwise, everywhere if you are doing silly mistake, forgetting timesheet entry, some people will forget timesheet entry and they will say that I forgot to enter timesheet. So how can you forget your timesheet when you're coming daily? Okay, so these kind of mistakes you have to avoid.